Transform your kitchen, inspiring design ideas. Are you dreaming of a kitchen that fuels both your creativity and comfort? Whether it's a sleek modern vibe or a cozy farmhouse aesthetic, this journey of ideas will help you create an inspiring culinary haven. Get ready to discover innovative layouts, bold designs, and smart solutions. Create a seamless flow between your cooking, living, and dining areas with an open concept kitchen. This design eliminates barriers, encourages conversation, and maximizes light. The L and U-shaped layouts offer functionality with plenty of counter and storage space. These configurations are perfect for optimizing workflow and integrating islands. In smaller spaces, galley kitchens shine. Parallel counters utilize every inch, creating efficiency for quick meal prep while maintaining organizational clarity. Keep it sleek with handleless cabinets, neutral tones, and streamlined appliances for a clutter-free look. Introduce warm woods, vintage fixtures, and cozy earth tones for that inviting countryside feel. Celebrate nostalgia with pastel cabinets, checkered floors, and antique-inspired accessories. It's cheerful and uniquely you. Add pops of vibrant color, glossy surfaces, and innovative textures to redefine modern kitchen aesthetics. Showcase your chicest dishes and decor while creating an airy, modern vibe. Keep it organized for easy access. From pull-out drawers to corner solutions, optimized cabinetry ensures every space is functional. A dream edition. Organize bulk groceries and small appliances while freeing up counter space. Choose materials that combine beauty with resilience to withstand daily kitchen demands. Create a focal point with bold mosaic or subway tiles while protecting kitchen walls. It's practical art. Infuse warmth and charm with wooden countertops perfect for food prep. Under-cabinet LEDs illuminate work surfaces, making meal preparation safe and precise. Add flair and functionality over dining tables or islands with pendant lights in varied shapes and finishes. Introduce drama and elegance with a chandelier as your centerpiece. From remotely controlled ovens to fridges that track groceries, embrace innovations that work for you. Use recycled materials for sustainable floors and countertops while opting for energy-efficient appliances. Paint your cabinets, add peel and stick tiles, or thrift unique finds for affordable transformations. Incorporate salvaged wood or reclaimed materials for that custom, sustainable touch. Your kitchen isn't just a space, it's the heartbeat of your home. Let these ideas breathe life into your design, enriching your daily rituals and gatherings. Start your transformation today and redefine how you cook, connect, and create.